You're watching this video because you've heard of NMN Plus and you don't really know much about it, or you've done your research already, you know you want to take it and you're just trying to pick the right one for you now. So I want to tell you about this one. I did receive this as a gift from the company so that I could try it out and tell you all about it. So let's talk about it. NMN Plus is a precursor to NAD. So what it does is it supports healthy levels of NAD. So I like this one a lot because I take a lot of supplements and the dose in a lot of those supplements are 2 capsules. This one is just 1 capsule, which I really like. And you get 90, so this is a 90-day supply, which I love that. So a couple of important things, and then we're going to try this. This is, it's 10,000 milligrams. Like I said, it's 90 capsules, and it's liposomal. And what that means is that there's more bioavailability, or it helps with enhanced absorption of the NMN Plus itself. So that's really good. There's no smell. I don't smell anything. And like I said, the dose is 1 capsule. So I am just going to take 1. We'll talk about the taste. Spoiler alert, it doesn't taste like anything. So we're going to try it. It went down so easy. That was a very easy one to take. So here we go. This is the NMN Plus. It is bioavailable. It is better absorption. I couldn't get that out. Better absorption, non-GMO and things like that. If that's really important to you, you can check that out on the label as well. So this is one that I take. I do recommend it. Thanks. I'd be curious if you take something like this, and if you want to switch over to this one, I will link it in the description below. Also, if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing.